Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I am a PhD candidate at the Syracuse University iSchool working toward earning a doctoral degree in information science and technology. At present, I am in my 5th year of my program and I'm preparing my major milestone of defending my dissertation proposal this December. The title of my dissertation is Invisible Data Practices in a Publication-Centric Crediting Culture, a research framework for invisible data scholarship in U.S. academic research. So that's the title of my dissertation, but more broadly, I am a researcher in scholarly communication with a focus on how digital technologies transform, extend, and destabilize the scientific research laboratory. My methods are quantitative, qualitative, and HCI design methods to understand individual and community level practices in an age of data-intensive research. I use lenses from library and information science, critical HCI, law and public policy, and education and faculty development to realize the economic and social justice goals which cyber infrastructure-enabled science, research, and policy set out to achieve in the early 21st century, but has fallen short of due in large part to invisible labor and an entrenched academic crediting culture that forces scientists to operate on scholarly communication infrastructures that have gone largely unchanged since the 17th century. So where I am in the process, I'm currently writing my dissertation proposal, working on an exploratory study framework to be tested in the final proposal. I've completed a number of exploratory interviews with molecular biologists in the laboratory that you see behind you. And right now I'm revising the framework as well as working on the theoretical foundations and research framework and design of the proposed study. And the conceptual model, which I developed from a study with molecular biologists, but also with the Lab for Innovation Science at Harvard, looked across disciplines to try to understand the organization, especially from the microeconomic level of scientists in research laboratories. So my proposed study is going to be a 2-phase instrumental collective case study, which tests the conceptual framework on a broader population. And this framework is called the Invisible Data Scholarship Framework, and it's based on the exploratory study findings as well as a modification and extension of the categories that are proposed in the recent amazing work by Scroggins and Pasquetto in 2019. And the additional proposed research will be with six other disciplines, and these disciplines are molecular biology from the exploratory study, as well as mechanical engineering, geological sciences, biochemistry, astronomy, physics, and computer science. The data from these disciplines is already collected from the work that we did at the Lab for Innovation Science at Harvard. Something interesting about me is that I was a record holder for the longest out loud reading for the Guinness Book of World Records for a total of 15 hours when I was in high school. I also love to play piano, and I'm obsessed with running long distances these days to keep my brain and my body working. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all and hope to talk to you very soon about your research as well. Thank you.